What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I'm back, guys. I want to do a quick review on a brand new program that WTM Pub has launched. It's a new postcard program, and I'm going to review it for you guys really quickly. All right, so hang on with me. Okay, this is the postcard. I'm going to show you the front and the back. This one is called Road to Riches. Fill your pockets with $200 money orders over and over again. I love what they always have is a 24/7 message. So call this number 385-330-9071 and listen to it. So this is the side of the card, the front side, which is what your prospects will see when they pull it out of the mailbox. The label will go right here with the name and address of the person you're mailing to. This is a nice card. I like the yellow, the colors, they pop. So it says go from 0 to 200 a day mailing cheap little postcards. This is the easiest and most lucrative business around. So nice postcard, as you can see. This is one side, and let me flip it on the other side. Okay, here's the other side. It's 2 levels with this one. The 200, you're going to earn $200 on each per sale on 2 levels. It's pretty much like the cash cow, okay, if you're familiar with that, but it's 2 tiers. With this one, you make $200 per sale. So when you mail your postcards and someone signs up with you directly, you're going to make $200. But also on the second tier, when one of your teammates make $200, you also make $200. So you get leverage with this one. So every time they make $200, you make $200, okay? So you're doubling your money here, okay? And now you're getting paid off of other people's efforts, okay? So just think, just imagine if you mailed out, I don't know, say 500 postcards, and then one of your members that join you, they mail out 500. Remember, your name is going to be on their cards when they mail it out, okay? So that's how you're able to make $200 every time they make $200. So I think it's a perfect little program. Let's talk about how it works. Okay, you're going to purchase 3 money orders, $200 each. Okay, so this one's going to be $600 to get in. As you can see, I'm going to be a reseller in box 1, my sponsors in box 2, and the company's in box 3. So $600 to get started. Now, this is what they're giving you guys. You're going to get 100 postcards, 100 stamps, and 100 leads. Okay, let me repeat that. With the starter kit, you're going to get 100 postcards, 100 stamps, and 100 leads. Okay, then what else do they offer you in your kit? You're going to get what they call the WTM Ultimate Mail Order CD-ROM. You get mailing list resources directory. And I just said you get the 100 cards and 100 leads and 100 stamps. And you also get access to all-in-one print and mail service. And I'm going to show you what the cost is if you decide, hey, I want to do this program, but I don't want to do the mailing. Do you have a company that can do the mailing, put the leads on it, and put the stamps on it for me? I'm going to show you the cost if you want to do that. Now, if you decide this is a program you want to get started with, when you partner with me, I'm going to throw in an extra 200 leads. So you're already going to get 100, as it says right here on the card, from the company. I'm going to throw in 200 more. So that's going to give you 300 leads, 100 postcards, and 100 stamps. And of course, it comes with a mailing list directory, but I'm going to also share with you my marketing resources that I use, okay? So let's take a look at what it will cost if you want the done-for-you mailing services to do all the mailing for you, okay? Let me show you that real quick. Okay, the company that they're going to use, and you'll get all this once you get started, they already have the campaign set up for this company, WTM, so they're already aware of this. You're going to get the contact person you're going to reach out to, and they already have everything they need to get this started for you. So the cost would be as follows. If you go with the 500, it's going to be $277 plus $170 for the postage. So they're going to charge you $447 to mail out 500 cards for you. If you want 1,000, this is including the printing and the postage, it's going to be $687, and it goes up from there. So if you're interested in the done for you mailing services, let me know about that as well, and you'll get this once you get started. Okay, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, making $200 over and over and having a second tier, okay, of when your team makes 200, you make 200 also. If that sounds interesting to you, please reach out to me. I'm going to make a link. I'm going to set up a link so that you can go to it and you can print your card out. Okay, that's the other thing. You can print the card out with the other side. Let me show you that one. Hang on a second. Okay, this is the side you need to print. Don't worry about the other side. This way they'll know who you signed up with. So you're going to print this side out. You're going to mail all 3 money orders, okay, in the names that it indicates on the card. You're going to mail all 3 money orders to WTM Pub right here. Their address is here. I highly recommend you mail them priority. That way you'll get you a tracking number. You're going to ask for a tracking number at the post office so that you can track it and know when it gets to their home office, okay? And then reach out to me because I'm going to need your address so that I can mail you the bonus leads that I'm going to give you. Okay, so if it sounds great to you guys, reach out to me, get this card, get started with Road to Riches. This is the new program with WTM they just launched. Okay, all right guys, and thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, you guys be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.